Is that the most painful one of all of them?
No, it's when I shoulder press or bench heavy.
When you shoulder press or bench heavy.
Like the most pain comes from the rear delt that spikes up slightly to the
Yeah,
front.
so that's why, based off where you're telling me that, and with you saying rotator cuff, and with a little bit of positivity on the one where you're going like this, pushing your hand into me, a little bit of that, that's your infraspinatus. Okay, we have 4 different rotator cuff muscles. All right, you can relax this. We got our supraspinatus, our infraspinatus, our teres minor, and then underneath the shoulder blade exists the subscap. My guess would be it's this guy here. I can do a little bit of scraping, a little bit of work on you now if you like,